Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to silence the notification tones for groups on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. In the top right corner of the WhatsApp interface, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on them to access the menu options. Step 3. From the menu options, scroll down and tap on Settings to enter the Settings menu. Step 4. Within the Settings menu, you'll find various options. Look for Notifications and tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Scroll down until you find the Groups section. Within this section, you'll see the option to customize the notification tone for groups. Tap on it to proceed. Step 6. From the list of available notification tones, select the option for Silent to silence the notification tones for WhatsApp groups. That's it. You've successfully silenced the notification tones for groups on WhatsApp. Now you won't be disturbed by constant notification sounds from group messages. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.